McKenna.
I'm not doing it of you.
Then I can get you those things.
No, I'm in the middle of shooting some cool fireworks.
Okay.
I can't. I'm in the middle of recording, Mom.
Never mind. Okay, you can go get your share. Bring it back.
There you go, baby.
Thank you.
Okay.
Adjust this light.
You go like up or down, lighter or darker.
I'm not thinking. What's that? A dragonfly.
Cool.
Dang, that's pretty. Boom, boom. Oh. Even I had to have one.
Wow. This is all being caught on video.
Just people move.
I can see perfectly. Yeah.
Hers is doing real good. But all these people are so wow. Pretty.
You're around. Machine gun. That's right. I got your nose. Cut your nose.
Come back right here on the other side, baby.
Can you see?
Good.
Thank you. You can't see from there. Okay.
I got some money. Let's go to Street
Wow.
Did you hear that boy?
Now what?
I got $80 in my pocket. Let's go do extreme fireworks.
Oh, I heard that. I didn't know it. Where are they?
Yeah, buddy.
Mima will love watching this video, won't she? The only reason she didn't come out to watch fireworks is because of the mosquitoes.
If you have to, if they get in your way, get up and move over there.
I think I will. Well, they're not in my way yet, so.
Here's a big head.
They're not in the way, Mom. Stop being mean.
That's Tinkerbell's roof. Tree. Whoa! Outside that's purple. Green.
I could put this video on YouTube.
Get up and go over there.
I can see.
Right there. You want me to stand with you?
Hang on. I can still see.
No, you can't, because their heads
No,
are
they're
in
not.
the way. Go over by Daddy. You'll get...
Baby, put your chair right here, you'll see good. See?
Oh, that's pretty. Here, could you take a video real fast while I get my chair? got it?
Taking them good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. And this is not under fireworks.
But do you really need it?
Mom, you're in the way.
That's better.
Hey, just stay right there.
My pop.
I'm not. Yes, I am cold.
Stop sucking down them juices and you will be cold.
And so, I'm thirsty. Guys, I'm tired.
Is the building cut in half?
No. I can see as much as you can see.
Well, I've got a trailer blocking half of my view.
Well, not me.
Good.
I'll let you see the video.
Hey,